Engaging in simple woodcraft projects for decor not only allows individuals to express their creativity, but also provides an opportunity to create beautiful pieces that enhance modern living spaces. The allure of working with wood lies in its natural beauty, versatility, and the tactile experience it offers, making it an ideal medium for crafting decor that resonates with contemporary aesthetics. One of the most accessible and rewarding projects is crafting wooden wall art, which can serve as a stunning focal point in any room. By experimenting with various shapes, sizes, and finishes, artisans can design pieces that reflect their personal style while also complementing the overall decor of the space. For instance, creating a geometric wall hanging using different wood types can infuse a modern vibe, with clean lines and contrasting textures that draw the eye and spark conversation. Another captivating idea involves designing wooden picture frames that can elegantly display cherished memories or artistic prints. By choosing high-quality wood and applying a finish that enhances the grain, artisans can craft frames that not only protect the photos, but also add a touch of sophistication to the decor. These frames can be customized with unique shapes or embellishments, allowing for a tailored look that aligns with the homeowner's taste. Arranging a gallery wall with these handcrafted frames can create a visually dynamic display that personalizes the living space, transforming plain walls into a canvas of memories and artistic expression. This approach not only beautifies the environment, but also fosters a sense of nostalgia and warmth, making the living area feel more inviting. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to decorate your home, office, or patio space. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Creating wooden coasters is another simple yet effective project that combines functionality with aesthetic appeal. Coasters can be made from slices of wood, showcasing the natural rings and textures, and finished with a food-safe sealant to protect them from moisture. These handmade coasters can serve as charming accents on coffee tables or side tables, adding a rustic touch that complements modern decor. Furthermore, artisans can experiment with different shapes, such as hexagons or circles, and even incorporate woodburning techniques to personalize each piece with designs or initials. This not only elevates a practical item into a decorative one, but also allows for creative expression that resonates with the homeowner's personality. For those looking to add greenery to their living spaces, crafting wooden plant stands can provide a stylish solution. By creating simple yet elegant stands that vary in height and design, artisans can showcase houseplants in an eye-catching way. The use of natural wood can enhance the organic feel of the plants, while the design of the stands can reflect modern aesthetics, such as minimalism or Scandinavian influences. A tiered plant stand can create a charming display, allowing different plants to be arranged harmoniously while maximizing vertical space. This not only beautifies the living area, but also promotes a sense of tranquility, as the presence of greenery contributes to a calming atmosphere that is often sought in modern homes. In addition to functional decor, creating wooden candle holders can add warmth and ambience to any living space. Simple designs like tea light holders or tapered candle stands can be crafted from various wood types, each bringing its unique character to the piece. By sanding and finishing the wood, artisans can create a smooth surface that enhances the beauty of the grain while ensuring durability. These candle holders can serve as centerpieces on dining tables or accent pieces on shelves, casting a warm glow that enhances the overall mood of the room. The flickering light of candles combined with the natural warmth of wood creates an inviting atmosphere, perfect for cozy evenings or entertaining guests. Wooden wall shelves are another excellent way to incorporate simple woodcraft projects into modern decor. These shelves can be crafted with minimalistic designs that focus on clean lines and functional beauty, allowing for the display of books, plants, or decorative items. The shelving can be customized to fit specific spaces, whether floating shelves that create an illusion of more space or corner shelves that utilize otherwise wasted areas. By finishing the wood in a light or dark stain, artisans can match the shelves to the existing furniture, creating a cohesive look throughout the room. This not only maximizes storage, but also provides an opportunity to showcase personal collections or favorite decor items, adding a layer of personality to the living space. For those who enjoy crafting with a playful touch, creating wooden toys can be an enjoyable and fulfilling project. Simple designs like stacking blocks or pull-along animals can be both decorative and functional, appealing to both children and adults alike. These toys can add a whimsical element to the living room, serving as unique decor that sparks joy and nostalgia. By using non-toxic finishes, artisans can ensure that these handmade toys are safe for children, allowing them to be enjoyed as both playthings and decorative pieces. This dual purpose not only enhances the living area, but also celebrates the joy of creativity and childhood. Incorporating seasonal decor is another aspect where simple woodcraft projects can shine. Crafting wooden seasonal decorations, such as holiday-themed items, can bring a festive flair to the living room. Simple shapes like stars, pumpkins, or snowflakes can be cut from wood and painted or stained to reflect seasonal colors. These decorations can be displayed on shelves, mantels, or tables, allowing the living space to transition beautifully throughout the year. This practice not only keeps the decor fresh and engaging, but also creates a sense of celebration and warmth within the home. Ultimately, the beauty of engaging in simple woodcraft projects for decor lies in the ability to create pieces that resonate with personal style while enhancing modern living spaces. The tactile nature of wood, combined with the satisfaction of crafting by hand, fosters a deeper connection to one's environment. Each project becomes a reflection of the artisan's creativity and individuality, transforming living spaces into personalized sanctuaries that evoke comfort and joy. As these handcrafted items find their place in homes, they not only beautify the surroundings, but also tell a story of craftsmanship, sustainability, and the enduring appeal of natural materials, enriching the lives of those who inhabit the spaces they adorn. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked for wooden craft projects ideas for home styling and selling. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.